Hey, how you doing? JP Kilduff here from Anchored Homes, and I'm absolutely happy that you stopped by our website. If you want to sell your house in Absecon and you want to do it fast and hassle-free, you're in the right spot. We specialize in working directly with homeowners who enjoy the idea of getting an all-cash offer where the offer doesn't depend on any type of contingencies like appraisals or inspections. When we give you an offer, it's going to be a fair market value offer based on your house and its current condition. So you won't have to actually make any repairs or do any type of cleanouts whatsoever. We'll buy the house as is, even take everything inside of it if you just wanted to leave it there. So if an idea of an all cash offer and a hassle-free closing sounds right for you, then take a minute to look over the website, and then when you're ready, go ahead and enter your information and somebody will be in touch with you soon.